So what are we doing? We're doing the intro now because we'll forget to do the intro later. So this weekend my dad is coming down from New York, mostly to get out of the weather. It's been in the negatives up in New York and it's been like 75 down here. So anyway, we have a project. We're going to demo this hallway. The staircase, this here, that top corner up there, and this whole wall over here on the left is all gonna come down. And we're gonna do a railing so that it'll open up this whole area over here. Because right now it's extremely dark up there because the cheap fast way was just to draw up drywall, and that's what they did. So this whole wall is just standing here. So this will come down, we'll rebuild the wall. That wall will come down, we'll do the railing up there, we'll put a post up there, post down here, and then a post up there. We don't really have a whole lot of video of my dad, so we're gonna try to get some video of him.
Because that's his job, right? Or that's what he did his whole life?
Yeah, he's a contractor for 50 years. But yeah, I try to keep him busy when he comes down here. You know, I mean, he plays with the kids, but it's short-lived. So we'll keep him busy, give him something to do. He can take as much time as he wants. I'll just do the heavy lifting. I'll do all the demo and.
Oh, the kids want a demo.
Yeah, we'll figure.
They want to do that.
So that's it. So that's the beginning of this project. More to come in a couple days.
And what do we? Alright, so these are on 16. I mean, do you want?
So one more 18.
Do you want this?
Well, if that's a stud there, then we do a big one here. Will that be enough, or are we gonna do 28?
Well, let me double check up there. So, dude, 20 for your shelves. 24 is enough.
Yeah. What are these?
Yeah, these are even.
Yeah, 24 is fine.
24 is fine. Alright, so this is 24. If we make that the end of our wall, and you're on there like a good 16 inches.
Yeah, that's enough, right?
If I want to really double check.
Christine.
Yeah.
These.
Alright, I got it.
Hey, so if we leave a little wall there, is that enough width?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I can make anything work.
Well, yeah. Well, I'm trying to make it enough where it's usable, but also
the
not
next
too
corner,
big.
that's what you're talking about?
Yeah. So essentially, what you'll have is this: a bunch of.
Yeah, just put a little bunch of little stuff. They could
Yeah.
they could be shorter. What do you
Well,
think
no, we can't go too short.
Yeah.
But I also don't want to go, because then that defeats the purpose of opening up the wall.
Yeah. Whatever size, I can make it work. I have enough storage cubbies in this house.
Yeah.
That I could make something.
Let me see that one. It's gonna break out of seams. It should be pretty loose, right? That's not the worst thing. Not the worst thing. But they did paper it. I mean,
That's a nice blade.
huh?
That's a nice blade. I thought the Lennox were good blades. Okay.
Yeah, give me, in my tools there, you'll see a little speed square or 8-inch square.
The L or the speed square?
Either one. Both of them.
Is that a Pizza Hut?
Wow.
Wow, what?
It's just as cool how you got all this stuff down.
Huh?
It's cool how you got all this stuff. Wires?
Huh?
Why are there wires right there?
Hey Gus, just stay out Pong's way, okay?
Gus,
Yeah.
somewhere downstairs, I left the Gatorade bottle.
Yeah.
That can.
Dude,
Yeah.
Finn is up here.
I know. Then you guys come downstairs.
Yeah, you guys can't be up there, especially barefoot. Yeah, especially you guys can't be up there barefoot because they're cutting and doing things. I don't want people. Look over your feet. Why are your feet red? Are your shoes rubbing on your feet, honey?
Yeah.
Are they too small?
small.
Let's not wear
I
those.
leave it there.
Is this all red from your feet?
Yeah.
Is
Did you taste my lollipop?
does that hurt your toe right here?
Yeah.
Easier to work with.
I don't know, I just like them. They-
Day 2 update. So we got most of the wall cut down yesterday. And then today, fix the floor and maybe start working on the next wall over there. And then I think the big one is probably going to be like day 4 or day 5. What else? Working with my dad, so I'm just kind of letting him run. the show on this one. Sometimes you just got to do that. He's got
A plan.
I told him the idea, and he's got a plan in his head, so I'm just here to hand him tools at that point. Still trying to figure out a way how to change this damn chandelier. It's gonna be sketch, but we'll figure it out. We'll get that. I'm hoping to get that done today.
Yeah, get rid of that thing.
And get rid of that.
That
thing.
bug collector.
Yep.
Ugh, look at them all up there.
But
All the gnats have gone there. Yeah.
Christine's gonna take the kids to the library so that we
Yeah.
don't have any falling objects issues. But yeah, I mean the whole point of doing this is we're potentially here for the next 10 years. I mean, no, we're here for the next 10 years. So do it now. Invest in the house now so that we can enjoy it. And then we're not doing this with like 3 months to go and then trying to sell the house.
I don't know what are the kids saying. What are they doing? Do they know we're recording?
So the kids are eating chocolate chip pancakes and they're being kids. They don't know we're filming, but it's just they're just.
I think subconsciously they do.
What are you guys banging? Why are you guys banging on the table? Gus,
Yeah?
why are you guys banging on the table?
Let's see who can get louder. And those me and Finn are trying to laugh. Me and Finn got the same sound.
Just who could be loud? What do you need, Penny?
Can you open my water bottle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, well, we can't make it a Monday. Yeah, I'm hoping to see if she will be open on Monday at least, so we can at least get them to, tell us where to go, and then from there.
Did you want me up there?
Well, I wanted to try to give you an idea. You know, with the weight.
Oh, the new bar! The new bar. What's this new bar? The new bar. I think I will.
You need crocs if you're gonna do wood, otherwise you're gonna get splinters.
Does this give you an idea?
And this is gonna be, is this
No.
stained too?
That's gonna be white.
Okay.
Well, like the perimeter, you want this like the perimeter, you know, oak, white, and white, or you wanted this all white. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I think I want it all white.
Yeah. Oh.
What do you have a preference?
I mean, normally you don't paint oak.
Oh, really? Oh, then don't. I don't care. If it's supposed to be regular oak, then leave it.
No, it's really what
you can paint it.
you want. It's really what you want. I just think. I mean,
Because the post is gonna be,
White.
no.
Oh, the post is gonna be.
Oak. No, I
Yeah.
just said oak, oak,
oh, then yeah.
and then white.
Oh, because I thought the posts were gonna be white, so it's gonna be the only thing that was wood would be the railing. But if
Well-
it's gonna be the whole perimeter, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this will be white. White. I think, you know, like the contrast between these.
Yeah, no, I like the idea of having it framed.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Right. Alright, we're good.
Mom, I need a bowl for me.
Okay,
No.
go get one.
Can I fold? I can't fold that again.
Want to hit the hot line?
Mom, this is
Oh, is this on?
Must be. No, it shouldn't be. Hold on. Let me get the tester. Yep. I want to put a coat on the spindles anyway.
what are you doing?
We can. Are we done with that?
Don't go in the hallway, honey.
Planker.
Because Todd's working and he might drop something on you. Itchy pink. I know what it is. What? Stick. Wrong.
He was asking ours. Alright, my question is, do you have...
So this should stay, you know,
True.
well, constant. You know, like a half inch.
And then when you get up here.
Yeah.
I got it.
But I don't know. I should have been using this square before.
Can I take them?
Huh?
Depends on how much mud you want to hang around there. So really, it should be down here. That would be it.
Oh, well, Gus's trash can't get wet.
I don't know, this seems awfully short.
Huh? No, what seems short?
Dropping that post down.
No. No, it's not. Yeah, I guess put a line.
Just
What?
take this one collar down. That's all. That's, you know, we can just put the rail right into it. You know, just like cut it right here. Because that's the top of your railing, right?
I will
Do not, can you please,
He
get
might-
off, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off, get off. How many times do I say, don't play on that, do not get on that.
It was loose and you.
I don't care, do not get on it.
Here, good.
It's gonna make these women feel so much better. Their lives are gonna feel great. They're gonna have natural euphoria. They're gonna feel sexy, which is like you can't be angry if you feel sexy. Those two things. See these women who feel sexy, maybe
can happen without the other. No, you can't just get more black kids into UCLA. At some point, you have to remove Asian kids from UCLA. You have to hurt somebody else. It can't just be that.
that's exactly what happened. You know, on the relationship front, Dr. Phil wrote a book many years ago called
Get the
I would
spot.
assume with the help these days, but everything's so damn conspiratorial.
Good girl.
But I don't know. It just seems like we would be involved in trouncing the cartel. Like it's something Trump would be really
Yeah,
want to
there's
do.
a spot here.
Venezuela thing. And, so they kill this guy. What's his name? El Macho? El
Let me just roll it
Macho?
out. Don't get it on the way.
Macho.
Let me just roll it out.
It sounds like a movie name. Oh, they killed El Macho. And he was the head of this huge cartel down there.
All right.
I don't even know how many cartels there are. I don't think they know.
There's another spot. See it?
But what they are
Yeah.
saying
Yeah,
in the
wait.
aftermath of them killing this guy is that they have
Right there, see it?
a hell of a lot of heavily armed, motivated
There you go.
cartel members. You know, in the